It's good, chat. What's good? What's good? What's good? Let's see what's going on. Oh, I closed out my Topstep. Shouldn't have to log in. There we go. What's good, chat? What's good? We got news at What's good, chat? Oh, we already had news. So see what they want to do with price. They're holding us right here, chat. I think we still are more on the bear side, but they are holding price, so we have to wait and see what happens. To me, this is the drawn liquidity there. We also do got the new day opening gap here. Let me mark that out. That's good, Utmost, bro. So this will be my 15-minute time frame. We got midnight open is today Thursday. Yeah, midnight open is here at 09158 and 3/4. That's the midnight open price. Your screen is frozen. I'm glad you told me that, bro, because that's crazy. Hold on, give me a minute. All right, should be good now. All right, there we go. All right, we took out Tuesday's high yesterday. We got the high of Wednesday here. New day up, new day opening gap there, acting as resistance so far. We also got the 8:30 open. We got the 8:30 open there. So, my bad, chat. I didn't even know my screen was frozen. That happened to me in a long time. Go to the 1 minute time frame, see what's going on. We don't have an opening gap. We don't have an opening range gap. So we'll see. Got the S&T there, but those highs look kind of smooth. Price may want to just take those out. So we'll see what's going on. What y'all think we doing today, chat? We y'all bullish or bearish? Bullish or bearish, chat? What y'all think? We see we didn't trade back inside. We didn't trade back into the lower portion of this bearish value gap. We tested that. We tested the upper parameter of that daily bearish fair value gap we're trading inside of on the daily. We tested the upper portion of it here. Let me fix that up just to, right there. This is that daily bearish fair value gap right here, and this is that daily bullish fair value gap right there. So on the 4 hour, we didn't close. We did have the change in the state of delivery, but we never closed above the rejection block here. We never traded back above this Wednesday's high. Instead, we go down to the 1 hour. We use this inefficiency to trade lower there. I was looking at this yesterday. We got this one here. And we also got this here acting as an inversion there. So just keep that in mind. That's a little important. 30 minutes looking like. We will see, because they're just holding price right here. Even though I think this is the draw, I have to see some type of liquidity sweat. I want to see something sweat before just, you know. I'll get rid of that there. We're trading inside a 1 hour bullish fair value gap here. I'll get rid of you can get rid of that one there. Right now, this looks ugly. Like, this looks ugly. It doesn't even look as clear as I would want it to look, but we'll see. We got London low. This is the London low here. So I want to see something get taken or some type of SMT. Which we have here. We have the SMT there on ENQES. We also do got the change in the state of delivery right here on the 5 minute. So they're just holding price right now. We don't have a first pay detection fair value gap just yet. We didn't create one. No fair value gap. So this was yesterday. Where's yesterday's first fair value gap? Let me see. I'm going back real quick, chat. I want to look back at yesterday's price action for something real quick. Okay. Yesterday's first gap was here. Okay, we don't even use that. Okay. This is a mess. This is a mess right here, chat. Not gonna lie to you. So basically, if I go to the 1 hour time frame, let me go to the higher time frame actually. Even the 4, I can't even use the 4 hour. One of my members in my Discord pointed this out, but from this wick low to this wick high, this 4 wick here, they're just holding price. They're holding price in this range right here. Even though this could be the draw, they're just still kind of holding price here. During Asia, what do we do during Asia? Asia started. So we just, yeah, this was, oh yeah, this was the move I was looking for yesterday. Asia, okay. So we're kind of just holding price right here. We'll see what they want to do with it. And so we got the sweep, change the step delivery. We have the SMT on ES. Price we tested that order block. We also have this inversion gap here, this inversion gap here, and this is one big breaker. So let's see if they just go ahead and take out the London low, and then ultimately the equal low is here. I would want them to create a dealing range right here. So we swept this high and we swept this low. I would want to see them create some type of dealing range, some type of pullback maybe. Use this as the use this 1 hour gap as use the 1 hour gap of this consequent encroachment there. Maybe tap back into it maybe before taking out these lows. But it's looking like they're gonna take them out doing the macro. Macro comes up in 5 minutes, so they may just go ahead and go on with the move. I'm not interested in trading the opening range. Yesterday I did so, but I realized if I would have waited till 10 a.m., I would have caught the move going lower. I took 3 trades yesterday, so I ain't gonna say it messed me up because I still ended the day green. I didn't lose any. I wasn't negative on the day, but I would rather wait for that 10 a.m. open. And if I missed the move, so be it. Opening range yesterday wasn't even. It was like a lot of back and forth. Then after 10 o'clock a.m., it started to clear up just a little bit. We got the immediate rebalance right there, so let's see if price can pull back a little bit more. Maybe. We'll see if we can get up to the consequent encroachment, the midpoint of this discount wick here, or this premium wick. But we don't have to though. We just had that immediate rebalance on the 1 minute. So let's see. Probably just continues to melt from there, or if we trade higher. Yeah, we got the clear change instead of delivery there. You see there's a lot of back and forth, just back and forth. We 931, no fair value gap. This is the first fair value gap after 930. So this is the first presentation fair value gap here. We're already traded below that 1 hour gap. Here, we're already traded below it. So I kind of low-key want to delete it. Get it off my chart, low-key. Just real quick, I want to see what they want to do with this. Here. Extend right. So price can trade up into the new day opening gap. I mean the fresh fair value gap, and most likely will trade lower. We also got this gap here. This inversion fair value gap. We have that there, so price could use that, tap into that while tapping into this maybe, then trade lower. We don't have to. We already got the immediate rebalance, so it can start going lower whenever it wants, but that's something I would be looking for. What's good, Sadiq, bro? This is the draw. I know you probably inside this trade already, huh? You're probably already inside the trade. At the change of the state, we got the minor buy side sweep, SMT with ES as well. Change of state delivery. Complete model right there, and we're above the midnight open. This is the my complete model. No, oh, okay. I'm still watching. Okay. 0.75 level, they use it there. We'll see. Nothing is clear. I agree. I do still think lows. These lows are the draw. Wait, where are they at? Yeah, these lows right here. I still think this is the draw on liquidity. The London low, then the lows from yesterday too as well. PM session low. Or those are the AM session low. Then we have the PM session low here. Nothing. So we'll have to wait and see for some on the 15-minute to show if this can create a fair value gap, and then a model could form itself inside that and inside this 15-minute gap, maybe like on the 1 minute time frame, and then we can look for something. But until then, definitely gotta wait. Nothing occur. Yeah, definitely gotta wait. Man, today, bro, the weather is getting so nice out here, chat, bro. Like, I live in Missouri, in St. Joseph, Missouri. I don't know if you heard of it. It's near Kansas City, near the Kansas City area, but bro, the weather is getting nice as hell out here, bro. Today, the high supposed to be 74, 75 out here today. That's gonna be nice, bro. It's gonna be nice. So we took out this high, this swing high here. We didn't take it on, so we got a S&T as well. They will drive, they will drive price lower. Just gotta wait. I'll wait 9 minutes until the new 1 hour candle starts. Hopefully they keep price here. That'll be a long time though, huh? That'll be a lot of candles. That'll be a lot of candles to go through. So we're inside that macro, so 9:50 a.m. to 10:10. We're inside that macro now. So we'll see what they want to do with price. They want to just continue to hunt the liquidity and drive it lower, or if we can stay stagnant just a little bit. They didn't even trade into the consequent encroachment of this wick here. Definitely want to see price run higher before dropping. Looks like a no high probability trade day. Yeah, in my opinion, this is all low probability. Even if we do get here and there's a move, the setup is still low probability because we're selling in a discount. But if we were buying, I would consider high probability if we think price is gonna go higher, but higher time frame to me is still bearish. So we'll see. At 9:45, this was an entry here. At 9:42, that may have been a solid little entry after sweeping that. The opening range, okay, this looked kind of pretty. This would have been a solid little move right there, though. We got the change in state of delivery. We got the candle. This candle wicks past it, but we have the change in the state on this candle at 9:35 a.m. That candle with the change in the state of delivery. And then we come back and we retest that order block, the inversion fair value gap, or the breaker, whatever array you use, and we trade lower. So that wouldn't have been a bad entry right there at 9:40 a.m. on the 5-minute at least. Put your stop above the swing high and target the lows. That wasn't a bad setup. We'll see if we can get another Judah swing though. $8 o'clock. Yeah, I think, yeah. So let's see if we can get a fake run higher. Damn. No run. We also got the Tuesday low as well. I will be looking to see if we can target. That's like super important right there. You see that. We took out the London low. We also closed at the consequent encroachment of that volume imbalance I just marked out. The consequent encroachment we closed. Oh, okay. Looks like, man, it looks like we may continue the job lower. Take out those lows here. So we just took out those lows. That was the original target. Next is after we take that out on the 4 hour. Let me look at something. Cause on the 4 hour we did have a change in the step delivery here. On the 4 hour we did. So this is the order block. So price may not even wanna. If there's a bullish setups, if there's a bullish scenario, I usually see that happen all the time. Price will have a change in step delivery. Even though we had bullish scenarios here, here, we'll see. I'll do this instead. Order block low, rejection block. 4 hour rejection block. So we'll see what price wants to do there. But this is heavy, bro. This is heavy. This was the short here at 9:42 a.m. That was the short. $9:30, we got the manipulation lower. Just to take out, oh, we didn't even take out a low. So. Looks like price is gonna take out that rejection block. 4 hour. That as well. Looking to see if price would want to target something like that. I knew price wasn't going to run higher though. I knew it because this pretty much is like a balanced price range. Here, everything is pretty much balanced. At 1 p.m. we had this. They came back. They balanced this one as well and trade lower. I knew they weren't going to take out this high or these highs. If so, I would want to see them at least take out. I mean, yeah, I was expecting this to. I was expecting the Wednesday high to be the high of the week. That's what I'm thinking. This is the high of the week here, and we continue lower. What low? That the 4-hour rejection block? Stay in the lower portion of the gap. Just in that lower portion. Here. This gap. Split it into quadrants or portions, whatever you want to call it, and then price never even traced to the midpoint. We stay in the lower portion, so we'll see. We also got an S&T at the lows here. I wonder how long, how far this would want to travel up. Got the change in the state of delivery here. Just like that. Change in the state, market structure shift. That rejection block was still that 4-hour order block as well. So we traded inside this 5-minute bearish value gap, institutional order flow drill, entry drill there. So I am bearish. I mean, like I said, I am bearish, but this could still potentially play out as a move just to push higher. But I wonder how high could it reach for. We did tap into a 5-minute inefficiency, 5-minute fair value gap. So price could just continue to trade lower from there. But we took out the sell side here, pretty decent wick there. I mean, we already had the immediate rebalance. Here, so we tapped into the breaker, use the midpoint. We just barely tapped into it. There was no way I was going to catch that. No way I was going to catch that. No way. Not unless I took it at the inversion. The inversion got consequent encroachment, but I'd rather wait to see price tap into at least the order block, or the order block, the breaker block, or the fair value gap. I never really introp inversions, but let's see on the 2-minute, 1-minute, 3-minute, 4-minute. Still inside the macro. 4 minutes left, so I want to see what they want to do with it. We can create some type of setup inside this 5-minute gap to take price lower. That'd be nice too. On ES. On the 1 minute, we got a small little S&T there on the 1 minute. We'll see how price treats this 5-minute gap. See if we get the immediate rebalance and then maybe want to trade lower. But they're just holding price, so I want to be careful with this. We opened up. We just opened. Oh, this new 4-hour candle just opened. Okay, so that's kind of nice. So I would want to see it open like that, then maybe continue to drop lower. 51 minutes left inside of this candle here, so let's see if we get the immediate rebalance there too. That's something to look out for on the 1 hour. This candle's wick, at the 8 a.m. candle's wick, price could trade back into that, maybe create some type of immediate rebalance. Then we could probably push lower, probably, but we will see. Because on the 1 minute, we're bullish, right? But on the 5 minute, we're still bearish. Even though we did take out the liquidity and stuff like that, we're still bearish on this time frame. This time frame to me still looks bearish. I would want to see like a change in step delivery, like on a higher time, like a 5 minute. Not on the 1 minute. I wouldn't trust it just solely off the 1 minute. So we'll see, chat. $16 seconds till they close this gap here. We traded through this here, so I'm gonna delete that. We traded through that. We close in the lower quadrant of the gap. We wicked the upper portion in the midpoint, but we closed there. Like the stream, guys. Facts. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate that a lot. So we consolidating right now. So after consolidation, there will be an expansion. So I gotta just see what side they want to take price. Do they really want to take price higher though? They're bearish. Got the immediate rebalance there. They did want to take price higher, but we're still in the lower portion of that gap. Still in that lower portion. We don't trade inside that gap there, but we trade inside it on NQ. Let's see what they want to do with that, chat. I'm not in no rush. We got the so we have the SMT. That hard there was taken. That wasn't. But they're changing the step delivery on the 32nd. If this is true, price shouldn't trade back above this. If this is true. I'm gonna wait, be a little bit patient. I'll wait. Cause I see the setup that could form. Okay. Okay, we have another change in the step delivery there. If it closes. So they may want to take price higher for the time being. Just gotta see what's where. So I'll let me see the 5 minute one more time. Let me see how that 5 minute closes, but I do want them to come back and retest this at least. On ES. Yep, setting up now. On ES we tapped into the gap as well. So 1 minute. The price can trade into that, that'd be pretty decent. And I'll look to take profits at low hanging fruit objectives. We do got these equal lows, equal highs here. These kind of looks like a good pull price they want to come to. Make sure I'm looking at the 5 minute. Got that as well. Yeah, I could take the entry now, but I want to wait just a little bit. We got that immediate rebalance on the 1 hour. So we'll see. All right, I'm in.
Order filled.
Just like that. Stop or go here. It'll take off.
Order filled.
Add one more. We'll take off 2 here. Take off 2 there. So let's see, chat. On ES, what are we doing? On ES, we are pushing higher. So ES do, okay, yeah, that's the draw on ES as well, in my opinion. So we'll see if NQ can reach up there. Do we close? We're inside any gaps? We do got this 15-minute gap there on that we could trade into. Oh, we traded into it on ES. I didn't even see that, chat. I did not see that, chat. I did not see that on ES. But we haven't traded into it yet. So ES is behind. On ES we did trade and look yesterday, one for first fair value gap. Yesterday's first fair value gap is here. This was yesterday's. Today's Thursday. Yesterday would be here. I want to see price. If price can get through this, that'd be nice. I'll just look at the midpoint of it, see how price is respecting the midpoint, but should continue to push through that. Entry. I'll trust that a little bit more next time, but we good. I want to see us get through that real nice and smooth. Balance all this price range out on NQ. We got this first fair value gap today as well. So price could trade into that and go lower. So what I'm gonna do is, let me do this instead. My entry should have been down here. I should have just placed it here and trying to be extra careful. Let me see. Looks like they're respecting that. The first fair value gap is at 930. It's here. We trade inside it as well there. I mean Tuesday. Tuesday first gap? Dang, that's far. That's extremely far. So we got 930. Oh, they're using this as support. Okay, I'm liking that. Now I'm liking it even more. No, the entry was good. Oh, my entry. Oh, okay. Oh, at this discount array. Okay, yeah, it's technically, yeah, you're right. This is technically still a discount array. Okay, ES is getting through. I want to see us continue to push higher there. Moving stops here. I want to see them continue to push through this. If we can get a solid closure, that'd be nice. But I want to see us close above that. Since we already traded above it on ES. Let's see if we can get a closure on ES. Just like that. Just like that on ES. I want to see if we can continue to push on NQ. I don't want to see price slowing down like this. ES looks like the stronger pair out of those two. So we'll see. Should be able to get up there though. If I'll go based off of I'm taking one off here.
Order filled.
Sell one there. Stops going there. And I want to see price continue to just push up. Just like that. I'm gonna watch ES on my phone because if ES takes out those highs, I want to make sure that I do get out of the trade. So we'll see. Price should respect this, and we should continue to trade higher. If we don't, then it is what it is. I need this run though. I need this push higher. If I can get this push higher, should be able to pass the account today. Or maybe just get just a little bit. We'll be a little short on it maybe if we do decide to get up there. But if not, we chilling. ES is trading back lower now. We just had the immediate rebalance on the 5 minute on ES. We had so on ES we had a 5 minute immediate rebalance. So I want to see if NQ will follow, even though we got that right here. If NQ can follow and we take out those lows, that'd be nice. Those highs, that'd be nice. So I want to see if that can unfold. I don't want to see price spending too much time here. One time, 2 times, 3 times. So after this last little candle, I want to see price start to expand higher. If not, then price will most likely hit my SL. I'm going to take one
Order
off.
filled.
Oh, did I buy one? Oh, okay. Hold on.
Order filled.
There you go. Just call it a day, bro. Because the price is going to deliver. It's going to deliver. If it's going to trade higher off this gap, it's going to trade higher off the gap. Did I buy one, bro? This is confusing me. Or this shit is tripping. Sell one, yeah, sell one. If I took one off. Oh, okay. Let me see. Look at my orders. Just do it like that. Yeah, price is going to expand higher. It's going to expand higher from the gap. So 1, 2, 3. This candle, like I said, we should get some movement. Stop going here now. Maybe could have left one on, but we'll see. We can get some good delivery. If price does takes out these highs, I got 2 contracts on still. Okay, so what I can do is realistically, I can still win at this. Limit sale, I could take off one there, and we'll see what what my account is at, and then we'll see if we can get we'll see if price will want to push higher. So we just took out those equal highs on ES. We just took them out on ES. So hopefully NQ should follow. Okay, NQ is not going to follow that as well.
Order filled.
Just to secure profits, gotta secure them, because I would want to see ES do the same thing. ES took this out super quick, took out these highs super quick. I would want to see NQ kind of do the same thing and continue to push higher. So that's how we'll do it. So we'll see, chat. We'll see. My entry was here. I mean, this is a good little piece right here. Even though I wanted it to be here, I still took it. Where did I take it? I took it around here, around this candle. That's still a decent amount of points. And my stop was here, reducing risk. That's still a decent amount of points there for sure. Even here to the first row, you got 63 points. They really only need like 20 points or even 10 points. Realistically, 10 points a day, really all you need. We was able to grab a decent amount. So I guess here in the future, when I see my setup like this happen again and there's an inversion fair value gap, we do got this change in the step delivery there. I'm gonna move my stop just right under that there. Price shouldn't, if we're gonna push higher, price shouldn't come back below. It can tap it, but price shouldn't come back below these consecutive down close candles. But in the future though, if I see this setup happen again, cause I don't care about what discount rate I enter at. I can enter at the breaker, order block, proportion block. I'll enter wherever, as long as I see the sweep and the change in the state, and the higher time frame is on my side. I wouldn't mind taking it there maybe next time. If I see this example a few more times, put it in my journal. See it a few more times, I wouldn't mind taking it. But yes, that is still good. Yeah, facts. I agree. Even though my entry should be at the order block inside the fair value gap, we took it at the Tuesday's fresh fair value gap, which is here. So it's not bad. Yeah.
Order filled.
So 366 on the day. 366 on the day. That's not bad. Got to make what, 52K. So I got to make $700 more. I mean, I could do that today if I really wanted to. Got the change in the state of delivery right there. Look at this whole entire gap we traded into. Whole entire gap on the 15-minute. So premium already there. Go to the 5-minute. I know it's a lot going on, chat, so bear with me. But we also got this here. This is the entire breaker, but I'm just focused on this here. I would be, I'm not in a rush. Good management, yeah. I'm not in a rush to take. Do I want to take the short here? Because we are still bearish, but we have done a lot on the downside. On ES, we took out those highs on ES, but we also do got this gap here on the 5-minute price could trade. So I'm not even going to trip about it. I'm not even going to trip about it. We'll see. So my entry was, let's see what my entry was at, chat. How can I get better with the entry at least? Take a better precise, even though my entry was solid, I could be just a little bit more precise on it. So I actually I ended up buying one right there by accident. But I could have sworn I clicked sell. I promise you I pressed, I don't know why, maybe I was too close to it, but it doesn't really matter. So I took the long at, my first entry was at 457.25. So I took the long at 4.5 there. I mean, I guess it's not, I mean the frame for the setup was a 1 to 2, 2 to 5. That was the frame for the setup. If I would have entered here, could have maybe played it a little bit better. but overall still good. Solid little push, I guess. This breaker's holding up there. It's holding up. Not bad. May be able to. Maybe a rebalance. We didn't create a wick right there. I like that. I like that right there. Came back into that 5-minute change instead of delivery there. Got to change to stay there on the 1 minute on ES. But they could still push higher from this gap. I mean, the 15-minute gap's in play. I would think the 15-minute gap would be stronger than the 5-minute, than this 5-minute bearish area gap. I would want to see the 15-minute hold since it is higher, but price could do whatever it wants to do. We do have to change in the state. Let me see what this is doing. So we do got the immediate rebalance there. We didn't break above that high just yet. Okay. ES looks like it wants to go lower. All right.
Order filled.
Stop will go there. I'll put it above the consequent. Yeah. Stop will go there. Hope I'm not wrong on this. We'll see. It could come back into that there, but we good. Should be good. Price should get heavy here. We should start to trade lower if we're following that the higher time frame now. Hope I'm right about this. Hope no one takes this trade. If this doesn't work out, then I'll call it a day and I'll just take that. Even though I probably should have just kept this and walked away, but we'll see. Still think this is the model here still. ES looks very clean. ES looks very clean. Changing the state, come back, rebalance that. So we should be good on this. Just 2 contracts is all I need, nothing too crazy. And willing to take profits whenever, to be honest. Would want to see what ES would want to target on the 5-minute. I hope we can get through this on the 5 minute. We can get through that on the 5-minute. That'll be nice. On ES, we get through that gap. And we also are trading inside this 15-minute gap here. So, I mean, this 5-minute gap on NQ. So hopefully we can get a good solid push through that. Just like that. I want to see ES follow. I mean NQ follow. I want to see ES follow. So I'm looking at ES on my phone chat just to make sure. We'll see. We came back inside. Came back inside, lowering my risk even more. ES is trading through. NQ is getting through. So if NQ can close just like that, that'll be nice. Is there any wicks? There's nothing really I could put my stop above just yet. So as long as ES can close, we're good. Looking at the consequent encroachment of this gap here. Just like that. If we could stay below that, the consequent encroachment, that'll be nice to me. That's something I would want to see happen. We stay below here. I want to see us get heavy. To be honest, I'm going to stop break even though this may be a little too early. I don't want to lose nothing again on the day, and I don't want to see price trading in the upper portion of this gap here. I want to see price stay in the lower portion and continue to be heavy, how it is now. So if it does, then, and it continues to deliver, then it is what it is, but I want to see it stay heavy. And I'll take this and then be good. Hopefully we can take off one there if it gets there. 1 minute until that 5-minute candle closes on ES. So this is gonna tell us everything here. On NQ, we're still there, so we'll see. I don't want to see price trade into this. It can wick it, but I don't want to see price close inside this upper portion. We're already this range is pretty much already balanced. Yeah, we can have the immediate rebalance there, but for the most part, this is pretty much balanced. Take some off at the swing low, at this low. There, all right. I only put 2 contracts in on this one, so. Let's see if we can get there, chat. On ES, we're way beyond that 5-minute fair value gap on ES, so I would want to see NQ follow. But NQ is looking like it's having a hard time, so we will see. So 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. I want to see price start to get heavy here. But then like this candle or the next candle, I want to see price going with this move. This is a little consolidation. So after a consolidation, don't matter the time frame, you're going to get some type of expansion somewhere. You're going to get some type of expansion. So hopefully that's to the downside. I would not want to see. So we got these consecutive down close candles, right? I don't want to see price get back above those at all. On ES, we have the same thing. On ES, we're still dumping though. So let's see if NQ can follow. And this would be the low of day right here. This would be the low of day. So price can get there, then that'll be it for me. And we'll see where I'm at, chat. Buy limit 1. having a hard time. So if anytime price is moving slow and jagged like this, for the most part, I do expect price to run run these. I do expect that to happen. The price just melts, and then I'll be I ain't gonna say I'll be surprised, but for the most part, when I see price start doing slow jagged movement like this, no matter what time frame it is, price usually runs that area nice and smooth. So we'll see if that's the case this time. ES is moving lower. ES traded past that low. So we already traded past this low on ES. So I may add the limit at the breaker, maybe. I mean the rejection block, maybe. We'll see. See how these next candles happens. Immediate rebalance on ES a little bit. If you're new to the stream, make sure you leave a like. If you want to learn what I'm doing, I'll drop the link to my Discord here in a minute. We'll see. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna take one off. I want to take one off here. Hold on.
Order filled.
Take one off. We took one off, so I'll let the rest ride here to new low of day. Because ES, we took out this low, but on NQ we didn't take out this low, and I don't want it to be like some type of short-term SMT. We do got the consecutive down close candles there, so price can easily run that and trade lower. So we just securing what we can take. I'm gonna drop my Discord link now. If anybody new that wants to join and connect with a bunch of other good traders as well. You feel me? So I love taking partials, bro. I love taking partials because I don't even like. It's to the point where I've been trading for so long, chat. I'm used to trying to catch like the whole entire move, trying to get the whole entire 3R, whether it's a 2R. I'm used to trying to do that. And it's like if I take partials, no matter what, I pay myself and I just accept what was offered to me. You feel me? So taking partials is very important when it comes to my trading, at least. I love it, bro. No day should end green if you have proper stop loss placement. Your entries don't got to be the best. As you can see in chat, I don't take the best entries. Like sometimes I'll get on board with a good entry, but most of the time, most of my entries are like in close proximity, or I'll take it at any discounted rate and just accept the risk. But for the most part, you guys see I'm not perfect when it comes to entries. I just manage the trade to the best of my ability and try to avoid, taking a loss. T, what did I say? We got the slow jagged movement. Price could easily, now if price doesn't close above these candles, that'll be nice, but I doubt it. We got the slow jagged movement. Price is bound to come back and at least rebalance some of this. If we create a fair value gap right here, I hope we create a bullish fair value gap. Because if we can create a bullish fair value gap, I would want to see them use this as an inversion to take price lower. So let's see if we can get that closure. Okay, yeah, we didn't get it. Want to see it stay heavy, chat, just like that. ES is looking heavy. Want to see NQ stay heavy. Like I said, chat, I don't want to see price trade into the upper portion of this. You see, we stay in the lower portion. It still can trade into the upper portion and take me out, but as you can see, that's playing out perfectly there. So we'll see. Got the immediate rebalance with that candle. Should be good, chat. Just taking a little time. We got the macro on our side as well. We got the macro on our side. So if the macro is going to deliver us lower, right? If we think the macro is going to deliver us lower, and I'm looking at NQ, the Tuesday of low wouldn't be a bad objective to target. And also that 15-minute, this 15-minute gap here, right there, that 15-minute gap, that's not a bad target as well. So we'll see, chat. You know, I'm okay with moving my TP. It just depends on what price action is showing me. I'm okay with that. Moving it a little lower. We're already locked in about 450 for the day. So when the macro comes in, I expect the macro just to go ahead and do what it got to do. On ES, we have a bunch of liquidity just resting below. Like, we have so much liquidity resting below, bro. And on that 1 hour, we're creating a wick. We have that huge wick on the 1 hour. So I would want to see ES stay heavy. If ES can stay heavy, then I'm expecting the same for NQ. NQ doesn't have to take out that low on Tuesday at 1 p.m., but I'm looking at that fair value gap, which is here. So we'll see. We'll see, chat. I'm gonna move my stop below this low here. I mean above that high there. Move my stop above that high. And then go from there. Trey, have to go, but see you tomorrow. Try to go, but see you tomorrow. Later, chat. All right, bro. I'll see you tomorrow. Appreciate you for stopping by, bro. Appreciate that a lot. I'm looking at this wick right here. Looking at this wick right there. That wick. So on the 1 minute, I'm looking at this wick here. Got above that. That's a good reaction right there. I would want to see price not close above there.
Order filled.
All right. It is 10:51. I was expecting the macro to deliver lower. It looks like they want to take price higher. So I tried both sides of the marketplace. Got a little bit of this long, got a little bit of the short there. I'm gonna call it a day, chat. Just call it a day. And try to get better for tomorrow or next week. This was a tough day in the sense, a little bit, nothing too crazy. Just a little bit. Market didn't really do anything. Like I said, they're holding price inside that range I showed you guys on the 4-hour time frame. They're holding price there. We're just holding it inside that range, this whole entire range here. Go to the 15-minute. So they're just holding price. So I was able to get a little bit out of the move, even though I wanted this move here. They didn't give it to me, but other than that, I'm done for the day. Yeah, facts, done for the day. We have to make about $600 tomorrow or next week. So there is no rush, no rush. We're super close to passing. Let me see. Show you guys on the actual thing, but so far not that bad. Not that bad. We'll just take that, accept that, and move on. Or just take that, chat. What y'all think about that, chat? W trade or L trades? What do y'all think? Keep it 100 with me. Be honest, chat. W trades or L trades? Are these any trade? Are these the type of trade you guys would have took? What do y'all say, chat? W trades or L trades? Got a decent amount of points today, so what y'all thinking, chat? What y'all thinking? W trades or L trades? The first one, W. Okay, that first trade, W. Second trade was kind of a little iffy. I did enter a little. I did enter a little late. Like I said, my entries don't be perfect. Not gonna lie. Next one was mid. Okay, mid. I'll accept that. Second one was definitely mid. I'll definitely accept that. But this run here, this is like a what, 20 handle run. This is like a 15 handle, maybe a 15 handle run. I know people, there's one dude named Trades by Matt. I watch him sometimes because he trades retail. So I look to see what he's doing sometimes. It's not all the times, but he catches moves like this. Just little small handle runs like this and calls it a day. But this trade was definitely a little mid for sure. I could definitely agree. This trade was nice. This was a good run right here. It would have been even better if I caught it at the inversion, at the wick. That would have been like hella precise, you feel me? Super precise. But I didn't. But yeah, chat, that's really it. Really it, chat. Sadiq, you targeted the low hanging fruit. What did you take, Sadiq? Let me see. You took at 10 a.m. that 1 minute gap. You targeted. You targeted 371. My bad. Damn. So you took the short inside the opening range. Here. Okay, you took your short here around this area right here. And you caught that little move there at 950 doing the macro. Oh, you took it during the macro. That's nice. You got time and price on your side. You got price and you got time on your side. That's nice. This looks like a 30-second chart. So yeah, this was a nice ass trade. This city, just a little run right here. That's all you need. That's pretty nice right there. The relatively equal low. Bro, I was trying to target those as well, but it happened before 9:30. Yeah, it happened before 9:30. I mean, it happened before 10 o'clock. And yesterday I made the mistake. I didn't make a mistake, but I learned that it's best that I just wait. I continue to wait and do what works for me, I guess. I mean, I did see this move here. So at 9:40 I could have took the short, but like I don't know. I'm just so used to I like that 10 o'clock a.m. I like that. I am aware that I can miss a lot of trades waiting on 10 a.m. So it'll be something I have to get funded first, pass this combine, and then I can start incorporating like other like not strategies because my model's the same, but like other trading windows, I would say. You feel me? Yeah, other trading windows, I guess. I don't mind trading the PM session. Sometimes I'd be a little hesitant about should I just call it a day or trade the PM session. But I do know if I was funded, uh, and I do have a live account, but I'm really kind of focused on that funded mainly. Yes, and we have SMT too. Where the SMT? Oh, yeah, we do have SMT. Okay. But I waited that open. Okay. I'm about to join Discord here in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up, chat. I appreciate everybody who stopped by. Caught some okay moves. The market isn't really offering us a lot to work with. Like, yeah, we got the move during the opening range. We got this run lower, but like these moves aren't. We're still inside the range. We're still inside this range here. So the market not really giving us a lot to work with, but these moves are catchable. You feel me? So I'm gonna go and wrap it up, chat. I appreciate everybody who stopped by. I appreciate y'all a lot. Love y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow, man.